Yes, it was passed by 288 to 232. And I think when you saw what the numbers were in the 17th Lok Sabha, where bills would pass by 300 and 119, you see there is only a 50 vote vote gap here, and you realize just how unpopular and how against the public mandate this bill is. And it is only because of the party whip and because of the two allies that they have just managed to get through by the skin of their teeth. 272 is majority. They've got 288, and that's really close. You saw all the points that have come up, and frankly, it's a very dark day in India's secular democracy, where this government, by sheer brute force, has brought about a bill which is so patently unfair and so patently against the fundamental rights of Article 25, Article 26, and basically there are 3 or 4 clauses in the amendment. One is that you have to say that you are practicing Islam for 5 years. Now, I'm a Hindu Brahmin, a woman. How do I prove that I'm a practicing Hindu Brahmin? How do you do it? How do you ask one person or one faith to prove that they're 5? The second, they say that only if you're a Muslim of 5 years can you donate something. In my constituency, for example, when a Muslim did not have a graveyard or did not have land, there were rich Hindu landowners, zamindars, who have donated land for Muslim graveyards, for masjids, for all of this. So is that all going to be declared null and void?